Magellan, underestimating the resolve of Lapu-Lapu and his warriors, aimed to subjugate Mactan Island. But what awaited him was not submission, but a fierce battle led by a leader unyielding in his defense of his people's freedom. Armed with iron-tipped spears and native courage, Lapu-Lapu and his warriors stood firm against the might of the Spanish forces. The battle was brutal. Waves crashed, shields shattered, and amidst the chaos, a hero emerged victorious. This wasn't just a victory in battle, it was a monumental stand against colonial invasion, marking the first successful resistance against European domination in Asia. Today, Lapu-Lapu's legacy lives on. Monuments stand tall, and his story continues to inspire millions. As we remember the Battle of Mactan, we celebrate the enduring spirit of a leader who dared to defy an empire for the freedom of his people. Lapu-Lapu, a true legend, a national hero.